beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will learn how why the businesses are not actually getting organic traffic, and approximately 90% of websites are not getting organic traffic from Google, and the reasons behind that are very important reasons, so we should know before moving further. So the first reason is that they are focusing on the short-term success. They are using the black hat SEO techniques, like using certain tools or using short-term specific articles, so they are not actually working for long-term success, and their goal is actually get success instantly, which is not a good technique in terms of SEO. So always write articles, write content which will lead you to long-term success, and in the longer term people will be engaged to your website, and they will be on your website, and in the result you will get more and more visitors and more page authority, etc. The second reason is that the people are not adding values, and they are not updating their content accordingly. So the keep adding value is a very important factor for a website SEO. So always try to add new content to your website time by time to get better page authority and better visitors along with. The third very important step is the complicated writing. So for example, a website which has to leave the website. So always write the articles, write the posts or content which is simple and understandable, so in this way the visitors will engage with your website, and you will get more and more visitors and more page authority, etc. The fourth very important factor is not searching the right keywords. So keyword research is a very important topic, and definitely we will have a complete section on this step, where we will find out specific keywords and we will focus that keywords for our website. The fifth and the last thing which is very important is external link building, and when the different sites, the other sites will recommend your site for a certain content, you will get definitely higher page authority and more visitors. So always try to add your links to the higher page authorities websites or simple websites as well. In return you will get better ranking in search engines. That's it for this video. In next video we'll move further. Goodbye.